She's still full of milk. Months and months later, after having a beautiful baby, I mean, she never stopped producing milk. Look at them things. So La Manchas are amazing for milk. That's her baby right there. Yeah, so she's gonna be a really good milk producer. All the other girls, they stopped, and she still has milk in there. I can still go out right now and get probably a couple cups in there. So all the babies are growing and eating nice and healthy. Let's walk in here. Got some eggs, and these are my Cayuga ducks. Then we'll come a little closer. They get very scared, so. All right, you guys, now I'm going to over here and going to show you the rest of the crew. There's Mr. Old Man. He started all those. We hatched them here. That's one of the mamas. And actually that's the other mama too. So these two and this one right here, he's about 5 years old now. Started all these Peking ducks. Got some Rowan. Got some blue Swedish in there. And it's Halloween today, so they got some pumpkin. I'm gonna sneak over here. This is the best dewormer for them too. I got eggs. If you guys want to hatch some eggs, let me know in the comment section, or find me on Instagram, hashtag DJ Vladi. Get you guys hooked up. Some beautiful ducks over here. Got some guineas. Oh yeah, look at that. They're all hanging out now. I'll show you guys our new house for the quails. This is it right here. I just got 2 hooks in there. When I need to move it, just come over here, pull this, and move it around. They love the space, they love the ground, being in the ground. Yeah. Small and simple setup. We're gonna go inside. I got a couple chickens in here too. Since they're little too, I might as well just put them in there, kind of raise them until they get big and I can finish their coop. And I also have a Bob White here. He kind of got kicked out of the group because he's been hanging out with the other bob whites, and they keep pecking at him, and so they don't want him in that group. So I just put him here with the Coturnix quail. So that's it, what I have here. Got some water, food, and that's it, guys. This is the quail house. I'll show you about what he's so pretty. He's pretty big too. There he is. Yep. What's going on, guys? Good morning, good morning, good morning. You guys know George and Apache. Yes. They're finishing their lunch. They already ate their grain. Yep. They're looking good. Chicka, 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 chicka. All right, you guys. Catch you later. How you doing, Princess? You guys remember her? We got her when she was almost a week old. Now she's 3 months and a half. She's doing good, looking good. We actually took her to farm day to see all the kids and take pictures. And I take her for walks. She's amazing. She's amazing baby heifer right here. Right? She loves to scratch. Oh yeah. All right, we're gonna walk over here and wake up the sleepy doggy. Morning. You guys had your breakfast yet? Hey, no sir. What are you doing, huh? What are you doing, little guy? What you doing, Mr. River? Y'all know River? Yep. All right. Catch you guys later. Go back to sleep, okay? I'll walk over here and I'm gonna show you guys Eddie and the rest of the crew. What you doing, boy? If you guys remember this, we hatched this one here in the left. 52 or 53 days later, my wife incubated our egg. We got them, and now they're growing. This is not like the best looking bird, but they're pretty cool. You sound like a dragon. He sounds like a dragon. Yep. Quit burping. They love camera attention. They love the camera. Should jump in there. That's me. All right, I am here. Hey, 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 no, what? Ooh, hey, 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 don't do that. Don't do that. Do not do that. Come over here. Hey, what, you wanna fight? You wanna fight? You wanna fight with me? Huh? Here they come, here they come. Ah! Ah! You crazy. Hey! He's trying to kick me, huh? He's trying to get on me. Ooh, he crazy. Cash is ready. Are you ready to see the ladies? You ready? Are you ready to see the ladies? You ready to see the ladies? Yeah. Breeding day today. Oh my God, this is crazy. She's the crazy one now. She's the one sticking. She's ready for him. Oh boy. She's ready. Look at that. We made it to the last pen. What do you think, girl? She's a big, big girl, and he's over there. He doesn't know what he thinks because he was screaming his lungs out, and now he's very quiet now. So, are you gonna do something? Nervous, huh? She's a big girl right there, huh?
She likes him.
Go over there and play with him. He's like, I never seen something this big right here. Good morning, good morning. You guys remember Winston? Yeah, he's still on his diet, guys. Yep. Oh my goodness. We're gonna start the morning like this. He already ate his breakfast and he's ready to go for the day. Right, Winston? All right, you guys. What's been going on? What you doing, girl? Gonna go over here to the next pen and check out the cows. Well, the bulls. These are my two Holstein bulls. And there's Kanye West. What's going on, guys? These two guys were bottle fed. Yep. Yep. That's my first turkey right there. Got the guineas walking around. They're all grown now. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let's get it, baby. Got the whole crew here hanging out. Yeah, tell them what's up. Weather's beautiful. Check it out. We're gonna come over. All right, you guys, we're gonna come over here and see how the all the ladies are doing. How we doing, girls? They're finishing up eating their peanut hay. If you guys remember, last year we started with 2. Now there's too many of them. Too many. But the cool thing is, we're gonna keep reproducing, keep breeding, and we should have spring babies. What's up, girl? Faye, how you doing, girl? She said mama now. Oh yeah. They gotta love. When you rub on them and give him love. And what do we have here? I don't know yet if this is a boy or girl, so we're just waiting to see what happened. So, are you a Tom? Are you a hen? Let me know. Maybe it's still a little early to find out the gender, man. Coming over here to check on the peacocks. Pretty nice, huh? Look at how pretty his wings are. He got some green feather, blue, pretty cool colors. Yep. We're still waiting on eggs. They keep digging holes over here in this corner, but no eggs yet. So we got these peacocks since they were babies, so it's been almost a little over a year and a half. So we just got to keep waiting for babies. And of course, I forgot the host. It happens every time. Hey baby, there's Princess right there. I'll come see you in a little bit. What's up, Kane? What you doing, big boy? Kane is relaxing. How you doing? He already ate breakfast and he's good today. He's ready to go for the day to do some work. Right? Right, Kane? You want to fall? What you doing, crazy? Go here. All that energy, huh? Look at you. What are you doing, huh? She's getting so strong. Oh, you want to run? That's what she wants to do. Let me show you the newest member of the crew now. Come here. Come over here. Come over here. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah. This is how crazy it is. Hey, come here. Come here. Come here, boy. Come here. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Come here. All right. I got him. I got him now. I want to tell everybody hello. I want to tell everybody hello. This is Kingston right here. Say hello, everybody. This is our newer member of the family. This is Navy and Indy. Crazy Indy. She's crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Crazy, crazy. What you doing, huh? Alright, if you guys are interested in some Frenchies, let us know, because it looks like Christmas. We're going to have some babies. We're going to end the video like this. Thank you guys for watching. Catch us up on the next one. Yeah, yeah.